Everybody wants to have a healthy body. But, with today's very comfortable lifestyle, it can be quite difficult to do. It seems like everyone is becoming unhealthier and unhealthier every single day. You might eat the right kinds of food, and you might be exercising regularly, but your doctor may still say that it's not really enough. So, what's missing? To answer this question, you may want to start drinking green tea. So, just what's all the hype about this centuries-old brew that it made everyone absolutely crazy about it? From scientists, to health buffs, to regular people, what it is about green tea that is so great that it seems that almost everyone is drinking it? First of all, this brew existed for thousands of years. The Chinese and the Japanese have been drinking this for centuries, and is still part of their daily life, and they even said that this tea can keep your body healthy. Today, scientists have found that there is more to green tea than your average everyday tea. To start, it has antioxidants that are known to help fight off or prevent cancer, and it is also full of certain vitamins and minerals that contribute to making your body healthier. To name all the benefits, here are 7 reasons why you should start drinking this miracle brew. 1. Cancer. As mentioned before, green tea is filled with antioxidants that helps counter the effects of oxidants, or what we commonly know as free radicals. By fighting off free radicals, it will help prevent cancer. 2. Diabetes. Most people who are diabetics have been found to have low metabolism rate. This means that they cannot get rid of carbohydrates easily, which will be stored as fat in the body. This will also increase the blood sugar levels in your body. With green tea, it will increase your metabolism rate and increase your energy levels, which will help in preventing diabetes. Studies on lab rats have found that it is very effective in preventing diabetes and also proves to be an inexpensive way to do so. 3. Bad breath. Green is known to help in keeping the teeth and gums healthy. Also, it helps in keeping the mouth clean and free from odor-causing bacteria. If you have a bad breath, then this brew can definitely help give you a fresher and nicer smelling breath. 4. Acne. Because green tea has antioxidants, it can help in preventing acne as well as treating it. Also, it helps in reducing the inflammation that is associated with acne. By drinking this brew, you will definitely see it as an inexpensive way to treat acne and help you get a smoother skin. 5. Alzheimer's disease. Another benefit that green tea provides is that it helps in protecting the brain from Alzheimer's disease. Green tea has been found to prevent plaque deposits in the brain, which is the cause of this very serious disease. With green tea, you will definitely have a healthier brain and a sharper mind. 6. Cholesterol. Studies have found that green tea can help in fighting and reducing bad cholesterols. It is also a natural anticoagulant. All in all, it will help in keeping your blood pressure low, as well as prevent heart diseases and strokes. Green tea is also about giving you a healthy heart. 7. HIV. Last but not the least, green tea has been linked to help in preventing HIV. Because green tea naturally increases the body's immune system, studies have found that the EGCG that is naturally found in this brew can boost your immune system. Therefore, it may not be very far in the future that green tea will contribute a lot in HIV prevention and cure researches. These are 7 reasons why you should start drinking green tea. Indeed, this brew can do miracles to the body. If you want a healthier body, then this brew is definitely for you.